Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on subtraction. Now, normally when you've got a question, you have the question written first and then you have the answer box afterwards. But in this question, you've got the answer box first, followed by the question. So the key part of this question is this question, 8,217 take away 5,463. Normally we put equals and put the answer afterwards, but it gives you exactly the same answer if you put the answer at the beginning. So the answer is equal to the question, which is 8,217 take away 5,463. It doesn't matter the order, whether you have the box at the beginning or the box at the end. Now this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Now the key facts to help you answer this question are that you need to write the values in columns and then subtract them. So let's pause, have a go at working out the answer. Press play when you're ready to hear the answer. So great work. Hopefully you've managed to write the answer out or the numbers out with your thousands, your hundreds, your tens and your one column. So you've got 8,217 and you've got the number 5,463. You always need to write the biggest number on top. So you're doing the biggest number, take away the smallest number. So we always start on the right hand side. So 7 take away 3 is 4 and you write the answer underneath. Notice the digits are written in individual squares, so make sure your work is nice and clear. Next we have to do 1 take away 6. Now we can't take 6 from 1 because 1 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow from the 2 here. So we cross the 2 out and we write it as a 1 because we're going to borrow 1 from this 2, so we take 1 away from it. And this means we're borrowing a 10 to this number here, so I've now got the number 11. So 11 take away 6. So you can use your fingers to count on from 5 to 11 to help you work out what it is. Or you can think 11 take away 1 will give you 10. So taking 1 off of 6 is 5. Now you've got to do 10 take away 5, which is just 5. Or you could have counted on from 6 to get to 11. So if you counted on from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, using your fingers, you've got 5. So you could put a 5 in there. Now we're going to do 1 take away 4. We can't do 1 take away 4, so we need to borrow from the 8. So we're going to cross the 8 out, take 1 from 8 makes it 7. Then we're going to add the 10 onto this 1 here, which makes it 11. So I've now got the number 11 take away 4. Again, if I take 1 away from 11 gives me 10, and then if I take 1 away from the 4 gives me 3. Now I've got to do 10 take away 3, which is 7. Or you could have counted on from 4 to get to 11, which is 7. Or done 11 take away 4, counting backwards to get to 7. Lastly, we've got 7 take away 5, which is 2. So your answer is 2,754. When you write your answer, you should put a comma between the thousands and the hundreds columns. It isn't essential and you won't lose a mark if you haven't put the comma in, but it is good practice to write it. Make sure your comma is small so it doesn't look like the number 1 or interfere with the decimal point or interfere with the number at all. This is worth 1 mark. Give yourself a big tick if you got the answer correct. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 2,754 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.